Hey everyone,
It's the Linville girls.
and today we're doing a slime cookie cutter challenge. First we have our squirrel, maple leaf, and
Owl. And a circle that was actually on a lid. We just wanted to make it.
now we have
Ding ding.
slime. And that's our little brother. Let's just get our slime out. And first, I'm up. Let's do a squirrel. And at the end of this video, we're going to vote and see who did a better job with their slime cookies. So here's how the squirrel turned out. Let's see if Hazel here can master that. I'm gonna give it a shot.
Can I have my owl?
Nope, we're doing a squirrel.
What?
Huh. Let's take it out and see how it turned out. Squirrel's kind of pudgy. He's missing top of his head.
Kind of looks like a hippo, right?
So, you guys get to vote on whether I won or Hazel won on that round. Now let's do our maple leaf. I'll go first.
If you guys ever hear a squeaking noise, that's our little brother in that swingy thingy.
Over here.
Yeah, it's over there.
So here's my sort of good maple leaf. Kind of has some cuts in it, but it's pretty good,
Yeah.
I'd say. You want to go?
Yep. Let's smush down a little. There's a hole in it. Gotta smush that down.
Let's get it out.
So guys,
here's her
mine,
leaf.
it ripped.
Here's the other half. So you guys get to comment down below who won that round. Now let's get on to the next
probably
cookie
Maya,
cutter.
because mine ripped.
Now let's get on to the next cookie cutter.
We're gonna do an owl.
Here's our owl cookie cutter. Smush this down a little bit. Let's see how this turned out. Here's my owl. It's pretty good. See if you can top that.
Mm-hmm.
It sounded like it farted.
Yeah. No, I can do that. I can cut it out, right?
Can you?
Yeah. No, you made it terrible.
That was already going to happen. Here's her owl and the other half. Here's some hair.
This thing is a leaf.
No, it's not.
I mean, like, color of a leaf, but I can see through it.
Okay, now let's do our circle here.
That came from a bottle. That sound weird?
Not really, but it's kind of odd.
Yeah, it's kind of odd.
Here's my perfectly cut out circle. Let's see if my sister Hazel here can top it. The other way.
Up.
See how this part's sharp? I'm supposed to cut it. Just a lesson from a loving big sister.
There's a giant hole, so I just put that there. Oh. Here's my circle.
I think this kind of turned out as a pudgy oval.
Yeah.
See you guys.
And so, guys, do you want to make ant friends on your slime? Good.
Ever want to do that? You can.
Yeah.
You get to comment down below who won that slime challenge.
Smash that like button and subscribe.
Go ahead and leave a comment down below. Bye.
Bye.